If you're trying to access the engine bay on your L300 and you've already got the seat up, you've probably realized that the other side doesn't come up quite as easily. So today I'm going to show you how to remove the driver's side seat and center console so you can access your turbocharger and alternator. First thing we need to remove is our seat. So we're going to slide it all the way forward and flip the back up. Then we can take this piece of carpet and flip it out of the way. That's going to give us access to the two 12mm bolts in the back, which we can simply remove. And then we'll slide the seat all the way back again. With the rear bolts out, we can move our attention to the front. Now you can do it the other way and do the front ones first, but I find this way much easier. Now we can take off the access panel behind the seat. It should just be a wing nut, but some vehicles this has gone missing and it's been replaced by a bolt. Unthread that, and the cover can move out of the way. If you're wondering if there's supposed to be something here, the answer is no. On some of the very early generation ones and some of the gassers, you might find a piece here, but on this model turbo diesel, this is supposed to be open. And now we can take off our center console. Now, if this has the original bolts, you might find that these are stripped out, and that's because this actually is not supposed to be a Phillips. We're going to use number 3 to take it off, but these are actually JIS, and Phillips bits will strip them out. So if it is damaged like this one here is, you can try fix it by taking a punch, make sure it has a very flat surface on it, and knocking down the damaged section of the screw. Now, our number 3 should have something to bite into. Now, still with our number 3, we're going to take off our gas door release and slide the little red clip forward in the slot. Then we can rotate the whole assembly and pull the cable through. And before we put our number 3 away, we'll take out this last one right here, holding our engine cover on. Next, we'll disconnect our parking brake. You're going to need the two 10mm. If you're on slope ground, make sure your wheels are chocked because we're going to release the park brake and then take off the last nut. Now we can work our cable out and disconnect our switch wire. And with our harness out of the way, we can take the last 5 bolts out, using an extension to get to the final one up by the seat. This one will be a little bit tight, but it makes it much easier with the extension on. Now keep these bolts separate from your seat bolts because they are different. And finally, we can take our entire center console, push our 2 cables through, and the console's free. So obviously this is a little bit more complicated than just popping a hood, but once you get used to it, you'll be able to get the vehicle to this stage in just a matter of minutes. Anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like and subscribe. If you want to learn more, check out some of the other videos on the channel. Otherwise, get out in the shop and do something, and we'll see you next time.